Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel Glamour Guru. Are you ready to transform your skincare routine with something you probably have in your kitchen right now? Yep, I'm talking about coffee. Not just for your morning boost anymore. Coffee is your new skincare superhero. Let's dive into how you can use coffee to exfoliate and create a fabulous DIY scrub that'll leave your skin glowing. Alright, first things first. Why coffee? Coffee grounds are a natural exfoliator. Caffeine perks up your skin like it does your morning. It's known to tighten and brighten your skin. How cool is that? Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of making your own coffee scrub. It's super simple, and you can whip it up in no time. You'll need coffee grounds, some coconut oil, and a dash of sugar for extra exfoliating power. Here's how to mix it up. Take half a cup of coffee grounds, a quarter cup of coconut oil, and a quarter cup of sugar. Mix them all together until you get a paste-like consistency. And voila! Your DIY coffee scrub is ready to rock and roll. But how do you use it? Just apply it to your skin in gentle circular motions. I usually do this in the shower because, let's be honest, it can get a little messy. After you've scrubbed away, leave it on your skin for a few minutes to let all that caffeinated goodness soak in. Then rinse off with warm water and feel the magic. Seriously, your skin will thank you. Oh, and a pro tip. If you've got some leftover coffee grounds from your morning brew, don't throw them out. Save them for your scrub. It's recycling at its finest. Saving the planet and your wallet, one scrub at a time. Now, to keep things fun and ensure your skin gets the best treatment, why not experiment with add-ons? Like honey for extra moisture, or a drop of your favorite essential oil for that spa-like scent. The possibilities are endless. And remember, consistency is key. Use your coffee scrub about twice a week for the best results. It's like a mini spa session right in your home. Plus, it's all natural and you know exactly what's going into your skin. No nasties. Just good, clean fun. So there you have it. A simple, effective, and totally natural way to boost your skincare regime. Embrace the power of coffee and get ready to see some stunning results. Your skin will be as vibrant and energetic as your morning cup of joe. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more fun DIY tips and tricks. Keep experimenting and keep glowing. Until next time, take care and rock on with your radiant self. And remember, subscribe, like, and share. End of screen.